Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you found us. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. Today I am doing a flip through of this travel journal that I used as an example of how to sew signatures together for beginners, small hands, arthritic hands, etc. A few of you DM'd me and said you'd like to see a flip through, so I wanted to go ahead and do this. This is all old school. It's all on my phone today. My computer actually crashed about 5 or 6 times yesterday while I was trying to upload a video. So I have a new computer, but the stuff is transferring, so it takes forever. So anyway, I'm doing this old school on my phone, so let's get started. Again, this was a journal I received in a swap that is a great journal, and I wanted to kind of highlight how this would be an awesome Valentine's present for that special person in your life who loves to travel. You know, we've got vaccines now starting to roll out. We're probably a good 2 or 3, 4 months away from everything going back to semi-normal. But in the meantime, we're going to be planning those trips because I know everybody that stayed home for a while is tired of being home. And what better way to give your loved one a great gift for Valentine's than maybe with some trip ideas stuck within the pages as well. And like I said, this is great for him or her, and I just love it. Okay, this top little journal is just a little extra that she attached. It's just a great little booklet. You could write down maybe if you're on a trip and you're doing a special tour of an old home, if you're going hiking in a canyon overnight, whatever you're doing that's special, maybe 2 or 3 little special things can go in this. Maybe you're doing something with a family member that is coming for one part of your trip, then they're going to leave. You could make this their little gift book. Lots of uses for it. The cover's super cute, the back. And then inside, like I said, there's just a bunch of different papers. It would be a nice thing for if you had an extra person on your trip, a little souvenir for them, or if you do something really special on your trip that you want to remember separate from the whole trip itself. And there's some pockets in here, so you could put memorabilia, ticket stubs, whatever you choose to keep. I know different people keep different things. So it's just a nice little size journal. Okay, this one is the main journal. The front has a pocket, as you can see, and then the back also has a pocket. In the front, we have a tag made out of a map. This is Love Travel, and just some different tags. She really did a great job. Inside, now see this front pocket, if you wanted to give this as a Valentine's gift to your special love, would be a great place to maybe put some airline tickets, some movie tickets, maybe renting a cabin or going camping, maybe put a park brochure in here. Great idea. Super fun, super easy. Lots of room for writing memories, photos. And this is a great envelope made out of a map, and this is a bigger envelope made out of a map. You could put ticket stubs, all sorts of receipts in there for memory and for tax purposes, write-off purposes too, I guess. So the envelopes are super cute, made out of maps. And then there's just lots of pockets. And I don't know what kit was specifically used in this, but I will link below some travel kits that I found that would make a super cute travel journal. Okay. Sorry. And just some like life-changing, like you are here on a map, airmail, once in a lifetime. Maybe, you know, you are planning a big trip for next year. This would be a nice way to surprise that person for Valentine's, birthdays, Mother's Day, whatever special occasion. Anytime you plan a trip of any kind or an outing of any kind now, I think even holds more meaning. So a journal like this would be an awesome way to share the news. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a map on green paper. It is really cool. This has some charms in it, some stamps, some die cuts. In fact, I'm going to put the charms when we get through doing the flip through. Look, it has a little person paper clips. How adorable. There's a car paper clip. There's a female and a male paper clip. Oh, this is adorable. Just lots of cute stuff in here. Tickets, you know, stamps, just great. Different die cuts. There's an airplane paper clip. There's a car paper clip on the front. There's, my husband and I are definitely going to do some outings once we get vaccinated and it's safe. So we are going to be putting this journal to good use. That's why I went ahead and just sewed it together. Bicycles, like maybe you want to take Seattle, the paper there. You know, and it doesn't have to be a trip on an airplane. Maybe a trip to a national park or another touristy thing in your hometown that you haven't been to. Or maybe just a ride through a park on a bicycle. Or a walk, you know. There's lots of ways to get out now and be creative. And make special memories. I think anything we do right now outside of our house constitutes a special memory. This is... I don't know if I can get this off. Okay. Look at this. This is a paper clip. How cool is that? And then this is just a little, she sewed it, and it's like a pocket and a tuck spot. Isn't that neat? So cool. I'm going to put it over here on this side. I'll put it back in a minute. There's lots of ideas. Like I said, you could put stickers, you could put tickets, brochures, just anything you wanted to. Great Valentine's gift for him or her. And I will link some travel kits below if you want to make one, if you like that idea. I'd love to see pictures of yours. Leave them in the comments below. And in the back, there's another pocket. You could put postcards of the place you're going. Okay, and then I showed you how we left these tails the other day. Let me show you how we're going to tie one of these charms on real quick. I'll have to cut it because I can't open it. I'm going to, let's see what we got here. Backpack, sailboat. I'm going to use the car because that's how we travel. I can't get it on that one. So this is what you can do with your tails on the back. You could add other beads too if you wanted to. Anyway, it's just fun, and I thought I would share a great Valentine's gift for him or her for future adventures that you are going to have at the end of this year. So anyway, thanks for being here. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I have more great videos coming up in the very near future. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.